Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Reclaim for time blocking workflows step by step clearly. To start using Reclaim for your time blocking workflows, first, visit the Reclaim website. Click on the Get Started button to begin the sign up process. If you already have an account, simply log in with your credentials. After logging in, you will be prompted to connect your calendar. Choose the calendar you want Reclaim to integrate with, such as Google Calendar or Microsoft Outlook. Once connected, Reclaim will ask for permission to access your calendar data. Grant the necessary permissions to allow Reclaim to function effectively. Now, you will be guided through setting up your preferences for time blocking. Select the desired time blocks for work, meetings, and personal activities. You can adjust the duration and frequency of each time block as needed. Next, set priorities for your tasks and appointments within Reclaim. This allows Reclaim to optimize your schedule based on your preferences. After setting your priorities, Reclaim will start suggesting optimal time blocks for your tasks. You can review these suggestions and modify them to better suit your workflow. As you continue using Reclaim, it will learn from your habits and improve its recommendations. To ensure you are maximizing your time blocking experience, regularly review your scheduled blocks. Make adjustments as necessary to accommodate any changes in your workflow. Finally, make it a habit to check your Reclaim schedule daily for an organized and productive day. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.